to introduce you to a product. This is a mini electric chainsaw from Saker. I want to thank the great people at Saker for reaching out to me to sponsor this video. The Saker mini chainsaw is equipped with a 20-volt rechargeable lithium battery, which can be used for a long time. Charging at any time, convenient and fast. This Saker mini chainsaw weighs 1.1 kilograms, including the battery. It can be used with one hand, and it is not easy to get tired after long-term use. It is very suitable for family and temporary work. Even the elderly can easily control it. Saker provides all the tools that you'll need necessary along with the instruction book. This mini chainsaw is small and convenient, quick and easy to assemble. Just need 1 minute for all to install. The mini chainsaw adapts a high quality grade chain that has undergone a deep quenching process to ensure smooth cutting. I wanted to show you this mini chainsaw from Saker, and what I decided to do, I have a couple projects, but one main thing I need to get done is this tree. This little tree branch, well, it's not little, has been in the way. Now last year I grew green beans here, but I couldn't get rid of this tree log, and so I had to plant my green beans around it. So this year, with the help of this mini chainsaw, I'm going to cut that branch out of there so that I can plant something new in this place without having to worry about this log being in the middle of there. So I'm going to set my camera up and we're going to get busy. Alright guys, look at this. Yes, that is gone. I'm going to cut a little closer on both sides and get the rest of it out of there. But yes, this is really nice. This mini chainsaw does really good. It's a little dirty here, but now that's all right. It's done its job. That is what I needed to do. Check out the Saker mini chainsaw. There's so many things that I can cut with this thing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see all the new things that I can cut with it. Thank you again, Saker, for reaching out to me about your product. I really like it. It's right. It has a nice grip to it. Handheld. It's not very loud. I love it. Thank you again.